Now, CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
All right, let's get this out of the way right away. There's a new named system out there, 29th named system of the year, breaks the record set back in 2005 when we got to 28, and it is not going to bother us at all. It's way out there in the central Atlantic. Here we are in the U.S. It is forecast to move to the east-northeast, subtropical storm Theta, and then this is the time frame here, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, going the right direction away from us, and most likely will stay in the ocean. So if you hear tomorrow, oh, there's another one out there, don't worry, it's not going to bother anybody. Here's what we're watching, though, that continues to influence us at least. This is Eta tonight, now sinking southward, getting a little bit better organized this evening and probably a little bit stronger over time. And you can see the big circulation around it. That's why we're seeing the showers and the thunderstorms coming through in bands here. And unfortunately, it has to go back to the north, and as it does, we're still going to be on the edge of that big circulation. 50-mile-an-hour winds moving southwest at 9, but about to bottom out here, real close to the western tip of Cuba, where tropical storm watches are in effect. There it is, our threat cone here, and now moving north. The tropical storm force winds stay west of Key West, and they will most likely stay west of the Florida coast. But everybody watching this here, this may even just wind it down as it slowly moves to the north. Not overly concerned about that. Here's the big moisture field, though, with Eta. You can see it there, drifting down to the south. We're kind of in that moisture tail over here on the east side, and as Eta goes to the north, we stay influenced by the circulation. That's Wednesday. There's Thursday. Finally, by Friday, it looks like some drier air is going to come in, and we're going to shut down this rainy pattern. But until then, there is the threat that we could still see some more flooding. That's what we saw this evening, another round of heavy rains and some possible flooding going on, increasing from what we've already seen. Up to the north there in Broward, northeast Broward, some persistent showers moving through pretty quickly. And well offshore, there's more activity coming on that southeasterly flow. Also some showers racing through the Keys and a few showers in the lower Keys as well. We'll be keeping our eyes on this activity out here because over time, it's likely to rotate into South Florida, of course, where we've already seen a tremendous amount of rain. In terms of what's going on a little bit closer to home, we're seeing feels like temperatures, so it's nice and warm and humid. Remember, a week ago we had that nice front. It looked like we had shut down rainy season. Not so quick. It's 2020. Feels like temperatures in the mid-80s to the low 90s. There's a southeast breeze blowing anywhere from 15 to 20 miles an hour, and we've seen wind gusts today well over 40 miles an hour. We'll probably see a repeat of that tomorrow. So windy at times, some spotty storms. If they get over those flooded areas, we're going to have an increasing threat for additional flooding, low temperature in the upper 70s. Tomorrow, look for a very breezy day, more sun than we saw today, some gusty storms blowing by, high temperature in the mid-80s. On the water, still pretty rough out there, east-southeast, 25 to 30, seas running 5 to 9 feet, very choppy on the bays. Rest of the week is looking unsettled as Eta brushes by to our west. The weekend, though, is looking better. CBS 4 News tonight is coming right back.